Alright guys, what's up? I'm going to show you how to make the reflecting text on Adobe Fireworks. I'm going to give you a link to the file in the video description to the right of the video. Just hit more info and it'll be right there. I'm extracting the file right now. It's going to be in raw. It's going to be in RAR, so you have to extract it and you need WinRAR. Alright, right here. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to open this up. Hold on. I'm going to show you how to make this is very simple if you know what you're doing. I'm going to show you step by step. It's going to be the best tutorial you ever saw, hopefully. Just a second, it should be up in a few. Just a second, taking a little long for some reason. Got Ham Antenna online in the back of me, in the background. Turn it down. Okay, here we are. It's gonna ask you to make a new file. I'm just gonna make something very simple. Let's go for 500, 100. No, let's go for 900. Alright. Alright, so we go over to here. The text. We click on that. We go back over to here. And we highlight it and drag it down. You can pick a font. Yeah, that's what I want. You type whatever you want. I'm gonna type my site, which is right here. Go like this. Extreme Gamer .tk. You can go there and sign up if you want. I'm not asking you to, but you can if you want. Alright. Extreme Gamer .tk. Alright, we're going to go over here up top and click on this right here, the pointer. Come back over here and point and drag it to in the middle. And then we're going to right click, hit edit, hit copy, hit edit again, and hit paste. Then we'll go back up here, hit this, and then go back over here. And right here, after it's like that arrow, you go like this, and you bring it down like that, and you go back over here at this again, and you drag it up, and it's just like that. Hold on. And you go like this, and you put it exactly how it is. I had a hard time. What the heck? I gotta do like that. Alright, yeah. Until it's like that. And then we go over here. And we click on this square. Like this. And we go back over here. Make a line going, hold on, through the middle of the word. Through the middle. Like that. Whatever it is, you scroll down here. Right here. And make it white. You want to make it whatever the color is as the background. So right there it's white. You come back down here, and right here it says anti-aliased, whatever that says. You want to hit feather. Then you're going to turn it into to 30, or however you want it, so that it looks like it's really faded in. And we're going to move it up. there you have it. The reflection text. Um, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Enjoy my site. Thanks, and I will see you next time. Bye.